Fix in 5. P0610. Control Module Vehicle Options Error. ECM, PCM configuration mismatch or high severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, vehicle may not start or start with difficulty, reduced engine power or limp mode activation, transmission shifting issues, multiple fault codes present simultaneously. Now the most likely causes. ECM or PCM reprogramming error or incomplete flash. ECM or PCM replacement without proper configuration. Communication failure between ECM and other modules. Corrupted ECM, PCM software or calibration data. Vehicle option configuration mismatch after module replacement. What does it cost? Roughly varies doing it yourself, or varies at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Reprogram or reflash ECM, PCM with correct calibration for the vehicle. Verify vehicle configuration matches module programming via diagnostic tool. Replace ECM, PCM if hardware is faulty and recalibrate to vehicle. Perform module synchronization if multiple control units are installed. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, will P0610 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0610 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score, and every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0610. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.